Yeah, my people, I greet every one of you this morning, afternoon, and good evening, anywhere you are, anywhere you are watching from. For those who does not know me yet, I'm the Mr. Atakata One Nani Bonine. I don't have much to say. I wanted to do live today on my YouTube channel, but I don't really think if it will be possible because of my work. As you can see, I'm at work today. So what I'm trying to say is that what is happening now in Italy, especially a few days ago, something happened. Many immigrants entered here in Italy. Italian government, they rescued them. After that, about 50 people of them, 50 immigrants in Sicily side, you understand, they rescued them. So before you know it, all of them escaped. You understand? All of them escaped. What I'm telling you now is exactly what is happening here now, right now. Now, government, police, everywhere, they are all looking for them. They are all looking for them. And this boat we are talking about now, I think this boat is coming directly from Egypt, something like that, Egypt or Tunisia, or something like that area, not from Libya. You understand? Okay, they rescue you. Instead you to stay and face it, they are not going to send you back. They are not going to send you back. There is no way Italy will rescue you and send you back to Africa. Italy cannot do such. No matter how they are wicked, or no matter what they do, but they can never send you back. You understand? We all witness it. We all witness it. I passed through the process before I came to here. I came to this Europe. So why they rescue you? Maybe the person that advised you didn't not advise you well. The person that directs you didn't direct you well. You understand? Because I believe that where you are rescued, when you calm down, you can get what you want. You understand? But the way you guys follow the issue is very, very bad. The way you guys follow the matter is very bad. How can you just arrive in Europe, they rescue you, instead of to be happy and give thanks to God and wait for your time, then you escape. You use your hand, put problem for yourself. It's very bad. They also rescue another 150 people also in the same Sicily side. You understand? Even the government, they are also complaining because the immigrant is coming too much. It's coming too much. You understand? It's coming too much now in Italy. You guys are coming, also like you come also causing problem. Not that maybe you come to this country and you behave well. You come and also causing problem. Okay, now look at now the people that enter new, who's supposed to bring their head down, you start running away. How do you think that government will accept you even if they cut you? How do you think that they'll be happy with you? They cannot be happy with you, my dear. You understand? Sometimes we need to advise our people, those that want to come and those that are also here. You understand? Let them know how to behave in this country, because this country is not a place that you can be living and they be like you are okay. Now you are. Sometimes you call the people, say they are racist there. They don't like blacks. They don't like not say they don't like blacks. They are in their country. You come. They didn't call you to come. But when you come, you have to behave well. You understand? You have to behave well. So my brothers and sisters, please, I'm begging every one of you. I beg. Anywhere you are, behave well. Behave well, because these people, they never call you from Africa to come to Europe. They never call you to come to Europe. You are the one that want to come to Europe. So when you come, anything you see, take it. Anything you see, take it. And I know that no matter anything, the white people, they still have that good mind more than we blacks. No matter how they are wicked, no matter how they maltreat us, they still have that good mind. They still have conscience. They still have human sympathy more than we will be black. You understand? More than we will be black. We don't like ourselves. We hate ourselves. We don't love each other, but we just come and make noise. We don't love each other. We don't even like ourselves. So what I'm trying to tell you is that anywhere you are, whether you are in Europe or you are in Africa, you are in America, you want to come to Europe anyhow, or you want to travel to abroad, I beg, try to get that one love to your black man or black sister. Try to get that one love, because this is coming too much for we blacks. It's coming too much. Go to Germany, go to France, it's all over. Okay, now look at now. Even those ones that come now start running away. If they caught you now, from there you start getting bad record. You are already getting bad record. Because you enter the country, you cannot even have patience to proceed everything, so you can be able to get your documents and stay. Because I'm 100% sure Italy can never send you back. When Italy rescue you for this Italy, they can never send you back. They are good of that. They can never send you back. So let us be truthful for ourselves and know what we do and how we do it. You understand? Okay, now you enter Europe with 50 people, you escape. Now how are you going to survive? Who is going to feed you? Who is going to help you? Who? You don't have any documents. How do you think that you can survive it? Hiding inside bush? Because if you come out for train station, police must arrest you. They will ask you for your documents. You don't even know how to speak the language. Where are you going to start from? The person who directs you, I will say that person is a very stupid person, because I know that you that escape is someone that make that, not that you wanted to do it on your own. That person who directed you, oh my God, may God have mercy on that person. But anywhere you are, I will advise you to go and present yourself in time. So when you present yourself, it will be better for you. And I promise you, Italy will accept you and they issue you paper. Believe me, I'm not joking. Even the people that even come from different countries that maybe they have already disappointed in other countries, they enter here. Italy always accept and give them paper. Why can't you have the patience? So let me just not to go far. Anywhere you are, if you watch this video, please go back. Anywhere, just go nearest police station, go and present yourself. Go to any police people you see, just go and present yourself. I promise you, they will accept you and they will issue you paper. Believe what I'm telling you today. Believe me, try it and you will see. So please, let us be sincere. Anyone that see those ones that run away from the camp that they rescue, please talk to them. Let them go and meet any police people or carabinieri, something like that. They can be able to accept them. They will accept them. They will not throw away them. They will not arrest. They will not deport them. They will not send them back. I'm telling you the truth. They will never send them back. Mark my word. They can never send them back. So it's better for them. Government can help them, feed them, do everything for them, give them a house to stay, you understand, accommodation, do everything for them, make everything possible for them, and they even issue them paper. You understand? Even if you are there, you see that things are not okay, but for the moment you are there, you have the residents to walk around. You understand? You have the paper to go around. You can even go to another country then. You can use the paper to travel to another neighborhood country. You understand? You can use it to go anywhere you like. But now, please, this is very important. You understand? This is not what I wanted to say today, talk about today on my YouTube channel. I will have time, you understand, to make my life on my YouTube channel, because I'm at work today now. Everything is somehow for me, you understand? Please, you will never subscribe on my YouTube channel, please try to do, because I'm going to be live on my YouTube channel, maybe if not today, maybe tomorrow, something like that, so we can have time to talk more about what is happening here in Europe. Please share this video to all your contact friends. Share it, is very important. Subscribe on my YouTube channel. May God bless you. And the Mr. Atakata will know day too. Knowing me, you understand? Go to my YouTube channel, subscribe and share my video. God will bless you as you do. Thank you very much. And don't forget to touch that notification bell, so anytime I put new video, you can be able to see it. May God bless you as you do. I'm at work. Have a nice day. May God bless you all. May God bless you all.